Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra, has got ScreenCast function? So yep, I have some great news. If you want to launch it and basically mirror your screen of your tablet to TV or monitor, so again, simply swipe down from your right side and you see in these quick menus, so yeah, you have the smart view on the bottom here. If you do not see, you can also like click this pencil thing and you can kind of edit these things, but yeah, by default it should be here. Also, before you launch, also what you have to know is your tablet, also your TV has to actually run in the same Wi-Fi network, so make sure that is, yeah. So for example, if you have maybe the 4G version of this tablet and if you are running from the mobile data, then again make sure to connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and also make sure to enable your Bluetooth, otherwise you won't be able to find it. Then again also like turn on your device, so the TV or monitor, and you might actually have to also place it in the mirroring mode, but for most TVs it's automatically already as long as it turns on. So you see, if you press this button, then basically you should see basically your monitor or TV appear here. You'll be able to click it and connect it over here. So also you see, you can also like go over here in settings or mirroring as well. And also if you click and hold on this smart view, okay, so yeah, looks like about the same settings. Okay, good luck. And again, really, the main thing is they have to run in the same network for this to work. Good luck.